This video is a quick start guide going through the process of how to trade perpetual contracts in a decentralized way using Perp. Once you've connected your wallet, the wallet's asset balances are shown, while the amount column shows how much is currently held by the clearinghouse contract. You can use a range of different assets to trade with. We're going to deposit some USDC. So we click on the deposit button for USDC and then enter an amount. There are some bridging options integrated in the app, so you can seamlessly move any of the supported collateral types to Optimism to start trading. After entering an amount, click on deposit and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. After depositing, the available funds are shown under the amount column. The overview page also shows the net USD value, the free collateral and buying power of your account. Now we have funds in the clearinghouse contract, we're ready to start trading. All of the markets are listed on the left hand side. We're going to place a trade in the ETH market. On the top row of each markets page, we can see the market price, the index price, the 24-hour trading volume, and the 8-hour funding rate. You can also use the funding rate chart to see the percentage over 1 hour and 8-hour intervals, as well as the annualized rate. The funding rate for ETH is currently negative, so traders with short positions transfer funding payments to those traders with long positions. On the trading chart, you can change the time frame, the chart type, and also apply technical indicators. Let's add the Bollinger Bands indicators, have a look at the chart, and plan the trade. The glasses icon can be toggled to focus in on the chart. The panels on the markets page can also be customized to enlarge the trading chart. After a quick analysis, I'm bullish on ETH. Let's head over to the ordered panel and open a long position. You can switch between long or short on the order panel, select the order type, either market, limit or stop loss limit, and also enter the position size. The buying power slider can also be used to set the position size. When you deposit funds as collateral, the amount you can deploy is called buying power. Currently, Perpetual Protocol allows up to 10x leverage, meaning your buying power is 10 times greater than the collateral you deposit. The more buying power you use, the higher the leverage. Higher leverage exposes you to the risk of liquidation. Here we're going to use 20% of our buying power to go long, which is just over 2 ETH. The trade summary shows the entry price, the trading fee, and the price impact of the position. Check over the summary and set your slippage tolerance with the cog icon. Then open the position by clicking on the green Confirm Long button. Sign the transaction in the wallet and a notification appears shortly afterward to confirm it was successful. Once opened, the position's profit and loss, size and entry price are displayed on the trading chart. The positions panel below the chart shows more details, such as the liquidation price, margin ratio, and leverage of your account. Note that since I used 20% of my buying power, the position has 2x leverage. The markets panel on the left shows a green bar for ETH, indicating that a long position is currently open. Now we're going to place some limit orders to automatically lock in profits if the price rises, and limit risk in the event the trade idea doesn't work out. So I'm going to place a limit order that will lock in profits when the price of ETH reaches $1,900. I'm then going to check the reduce only option, as I only want this short position to close the existing long position, and then also select the close 100% of the position option. The duration of the limit order is set to 1 day, and the order will be submitted after clicking on the confirm limit order button. You'll have to sign the transaction. No gas fees are required at this stage, but will apply if the limit order is executed. Once signed, the details appear under the Limit Order tab. If the market price of ETH reaches $1,900, then the long position will be automatically closed at a profit. On the market panel, the ETH market now has a blue circle with the number 1 inside, which represents the single limit order that's currently active. Now we're going to set a stop loss in case the trade idea is wrong, and to limit any losses. Select short from the order panel and switch to a stop loss limit order. Enter the trigger price and limit price. As before, we're going to check the reduce only option and select close 100% of the position. the stop loss is going to be active for 1 day. The stop loss can be submitted by clicking on the Confirm Limit Order button. Once the index price hits $1,845, a limit order will be triggered to close the position and cut the losses. As well as any active limit orders, the position panel also shows you your fills. When any limit or market orders are executed, they will appear here. The history page also shows more details about your account and past trades, including funding payments, deposits, withdrawals, liquidations, and limit orders. Now we're going to open another position, but this time in the OP market. Perp uses a cross-margining system, so as we'll see, once we open another position, then this will impact your account's margin ratio and free collateral, as well as changing the liquidation price of the long ETH position we just opened. So I'm bullish on OP, so I'm going long 1000 OP tokens. As before, we click on Confirm Long and then confirm the transaction in our wallet. The position will be opened shortly after and a confirmation will pop up. Here we can see the position size and P&L and entry price on the trading chart. We can now see that the margin ratio is now lower for this account after opening another position, and the account's overall leverage has increased from 2x to 3.1x. If you want to trade with isolated margin on Perp, you'll have to use separate wallet addresses. Check the guide linked in the description below for more information. Some time has now passed and we're going to check in on the ETH market. The long position has been closed, and checking the Fills tab we can see the limit order at $1,900 was executed, and the long position was closed to realise a profit of about $69. The stop loss limit order remains active. It will expire eventually, and since it's a reduce only order, it cannot open a short position now that the long has been closed. So we don't have to cancel it, but we'll do it anyway just to illustrate. Click on the red icon and confirm the transaction. How about closing a position manually? Any open positions can be closed from the trading chart. If you only want to partially close a position, then you should do this using the order panel. However, here we're going to fully close out the long OP position and lock in the profit. Click on the close position button in the positions panel and confirm the transaction. Note that all profits or losses, funding payments and fees are settled in USDC. So after these two profitable trades, the overview page shows that the USDC balance has increased. This balance can now be withdrawn to your wallet, or you can continue to use it as collateral to place more trades. And that concludes our quick start guide for trading crypto on Perpetual Protocol. Visit app.perp.com to start trading crypto the way it is meant to be traded, on an open source and trustless decentralized exchange, where you always retain custody of your assets.